Hey everybody, it's me, Stacy with Lacey Lou Crafts and Jewelry, and I went to my happy place. That's right, the Dollar Tree. Look at all this cute stuff. Such cute stuff. I did buy these hay bales. Look at these guys. Dying for them. Thank you, YouTube. Looking around. Looking around. Oh, there's a bunch of cute stuff. Ooh, there's some ribbon. Little pumpkins. Oh yeah, I bought this too. Look at that. I bought that. Isn't it cute? It's going to be so cute on these wire form pumpkins, because yeah, that's right, I found them. The super cute wire form pumpkins. Damn it, I wish I should have bought that gnome. Oh, he was cute. Oh, look what I found. Oh, the drink cutouts. I got them. I got 2 of them. Yeah, that's right, I got 2 of them. Put them in my cart. That's right. I went back for a second one. I was like, nah, I need 2. Look, you could paint a rock. Look at all the cute stuff. Such cute stuff. I should have bought that gnome. I'm really regretting not getting that gnome. My mother-in-law hates gnomes, and I like to hide them around the house. Oh, look at all the stickers. Oh, stickers. Laser keys. I should have bought these too. I didn't. Aren't they cute though? So cute. Some paint brushes, all the vinyls, bunch of signs. Look at all the signs. Oh, cute, cute. All so cute. Oh wait, do I want this? I don't know. I don't like the texture. It didn't seem very chalkboardy. It seemed like weird siding. Orange glitter. I needed orange glitter for all the resiny pieces for the fall. Look at the ribbon. Looking at ribbon. Looking at ribbon. Didn't buy any ribbon. I have so much ribbon. I don't need any more ribbon. Wood curls. See, I keep wanting to try those rose curls and something, but I didn't. And here I go looking for more of my daughter's school.